Oh yeah, pre-squeeze. Okay, so I got way more than I needed. My elbows are pretty chapped most of the time, so let's test it on my elbows. I know in my previous video, I had some people ask me, is Babebox really worth it? And also in my blog post, I had another lady who was a little upset about how they did some things. So since this is my second box, I just wanted to come on and show you guys my unboxing for it, and then also give you my opinion on Babebox and if I think it's worth it. This is how they packaged it. Nothing too fancy. So I have 4 items from Babebox. First item is this cosmetic sponge. So I needed one of these. Second item is the skincare. It's a restore skincare. So you can pretty much use this for your feet, your lips if they're chapped, cuts, bruises, severe dry skin, sensitive skin. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna test it out. It's like lotion. Oh shit, it's coming out.
Who's squeezing it?
I'm not squeezing it.
You're squeezing it. You squeezed it before. You pre-squeezed.
Oh yeah, pre-squeeze. Okay, so I got way more than I needed. My elbows are pretty chapped most of the time, so let's test it on my elbows. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Do my elbows look chapped and dry? I got all this extra stuff. It doesn't really have a smell to it, which is good. It's just a nice cream that you can put on. Oh, I'm gonna be extra creamy. The third piece I have is this waterproof eyeliner from Laritza's Cosmetics. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you can see it. So it's the eyeliner. Can you see that? Can you see this? It glides on really, really smooth. And these are actually one of my favorite eyeliners that has the little brush at the end. Sticks there, it kind of wipes off a little bit, but I think it's because I'm extra greasy. And here's the last thing right here. Lord & Berry. I received something from them last month as well. This is a Lord & Berry. It's a lipstick. Oh, let's see what it looks like on my skin. Ow. That is what it looks like. That's actually really sexy. I kind of want to do a lip swatch. Maybe it'll look better with a lip liner, like maybe a brown lip liner or something. But it's not bad. I have 4 items here. Is Babebox really worth $36 a month? So realistically, or ideally, doing the math, $36 divided by 4, you know, roughly you're paying $9 per item. But sometimes they send between 4 to 6 items. So depending on how much product you have in that box during that time, is really depending on if it's worth it to you. I do think it's worth it. You know, you're paying like $9 for something. The only thing I would say is that if you are pretty picky about the makeup that you use or the brands that you like to use, the lotions and things that you like to use, it might not be worth it. You might as well just go to the store and pick up what you personally like. This brand is supposed to show you new products and new items to use and try. Okay. So your first box is free. Second box, you are locked in. You have to get that second box. And then after your second box, then you can cancel it. Have you tried Babebox? If you have, let me know down in the comments what your experience was with them. And also let me know what products they sent to you to see if we've received different products or the same products. So that is all that I have for you guys today for Babebox. If you like this video, you like this review, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell button for notifications so you won't miss an upload. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.